These are pretty solid rocks. That one's a little loose. One of these is. Crossing.
Huh?
Another crossing.
I know, it keeps crossing over and over. This one's deeper. The water here.
Yeah, look here. It's like, it's almost 18 inches deep right there.
Wow.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So like, you could like sit in it and get cool. Like in the old days,
Yeah.
you sit in it.
Oh yeah. Wow, that's pretty deep there. Huh. That's awesome. So yeah, we'll probably see the waterfall.
Hope so. It's not that far away.
No. It's actually before we get to the end, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.